Today, I'm going to show you how to change t-shirt design in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your object selection tool from the toolbar. Open the mode list at the top and select Lasso. Now go to Layer and select Background Image. Then create a selection around the body of the t-shirt. Again, go to Layer. Now press Ctrl-J to cut the body of the t-shirt from its background. Now open the eyes of the design layer. Right-click and select Create Clipping Mask. Go to the FX icon and choose the blending options. Go to Blend Mode and select Multiply. Now hold the Alt key to split the black slider, and drag sliders till get better result, then press OK. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.